Patty frolicked with the turtles. Yeah, what's the name of that bay? Not Hanauma, that's Honolulu. Which one was it? Yeah, anyway. So I got to be there the first day that Anne, the turtles came up to Anne, and I was watching not only her heart and my heart, our hearts melt, everyone around us, like women from Puerto Rico, Hawaii, our hearts were all melting. And so there came the third verse, which, could you give me my glasses, please? And I may as well read the words because it helps me remember. So you're all helping me rehearse this song. When we went through this in June at IMA with me, Jean and Bree, oh my God, they know how to play this. They know how to play this song. It's really killer. And part of the reason we're doing it is because Dave, who's Bree's husband, the engineer producer, said, Dave Darling, I just need to, I have so much stuff in my lungs and throat these days, so I'm just going to get rid of some of it. Okay, he's like, and he said, oh my gosh, that's so much like Dusty Springfield. Nobody's doing Dusty Springfield right now. Finish the song, ergo. So the last verse, if I had a prayer, I'd melt all the hearts in this world. I would sing it to the sky. I'd give 1,000 reasons why. To hurry up and give it all, whereas I'm questioning it before that. So if I can just sing this now. Okay. Maybe this time, love, you just sing along with me. Yeah. I don't know how much of a drum part there is, but dude, the vibe's good. Yeah. Do I need to do it in time?
At least 2.
Is it in tune?
No.
Oh. Okay. This is the time. If I had it in my power, I'd make all. I make it so easy for lovers. If I had it in my power, I'd make it so easy for lovers. I could see it in your eyes. Was it totally unwise to hurry up and give it all? Maybe this time love's an open door. I'd love an open door. Maybe this time love will show you more. Maybe this time, if we only had sunshine and clouds never gathered rain, you would never see me cry. We never asked the reasons why. We hurried up and gave it all. Maybe this time love's an open door. I love an open door. Maybe this time love will show you more. Maybe this time, whoa, love, this time, show me more. This time, I'm diving deep. This time, I want the pearl. Oh, do-do-do-do-do, do-do-do-do. I want the pearl. I'm diving deep. I just want to make sure I get this right. Oh my God. This is the turtle verse, okay? This is the turtle verse. I'm diving deep. Thank you. If I had a prayer. Yeah, do it, yeah, man. maybe this time, whoa, love, this time, show me more this time, and I'm diving deep this time. Give me more, give me more, more. This time, I'm diving deep this time. Oh, love, love, oh, love, love, oh, love, love, oh, love, love, I'm diving deep. I'm diving deep this time. Whoa, love, oh, oh, there we go. You see why I want to take this live-based show on the road? And you know, when she came to camp, she was not a jazz player.